It's recording.
So, since Greg tried the world's hottest hot sauce, or salsa, I'm about to screw myself with...
What's this one called? This is the...
Grinder's Death Nectar.
And this is what they do for wing challenges and stuff like that.
Yeah. Wing challenges, extreme pizza challenges out of Kansas City, Missouri. Grinders. Pizzeria.
We've still got those gummies.
It's also been featured on TripC, Food Network.
I wonder if Freddie's heard of this since he's from Kansas City.
You want more than that, or?
Oh, that's good.
You sure?
Oh no, you told me how hot it is. That's good. Oh, all
Dr.
right.
Pepper?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
There's the bug eye.
Holy shit, it hurts. Oh. Holy fucking Scoville, that's hot, hun. Oh, let's see how long I can hold this.
Then you guys are gonna have to share your videos on our Facebook page.
Oh, definitely.
So, yeah.
Oh my god.
And that was less than a dime drop size?
Oh, I'm drooling.
Yeah. Start calling you Bulldog when you get like this.
Oh. Sorry about your lid. Okay, I can't fucking do it.
In case you have to spit anymore. I had to take the lid off.
Oh.
You feel like if you had a match, you could breathe fire?
No, not quite. I'm pretty damn close though.
So, are those special suckers? I take it?
No. What'd you say?
Oh, just regular suckers?
Just regular sugar. Sugar.
Oh yeah, the sugar helps coat.
That's good.
It's good. It's got a really good smoky flavor to it.
Ooh, it's got a really good. It's got a really good something.
Yeah. So if you guys are ever in Kansas City, Missouri, it's in the old part of town. Look up Grinder's Pizzeria. Do the ring challenge.
Definitely. Like I said, I wonder if Freddie has heard of this since he's in KCMO.
Oh, this is worse than the peanuts.
That was worse than the peanuts? Ooh. Ooh, I'm still burning. It's got a nice lasting burn to it. It's good. Once again, guys, if you're ever in Oklahoma, this is Owasso, Oklahoma. It's called Fire in the Hole. They have a wild assortment of hot sauces. This place is amazing. This is one of me and Adam's favorite places to go. Definitely stop in, come check it out.
Oh my god, when does the tongue burn stop?
Depends on the person. It could last a few minutes. It could last 30 plus.
Like mine right now is just all mouth burn. The back of the jaw quit, so.
Yeah, those are tears.
So yeah, Adam's crying, my nose is running like crazy.
And I'm smiling.
Oh yeah.
And she's smiling.
You're amazing.
So anyone, if you're a hothead, definitely, you gotta stop in at Fire in the Hall, Owasso, Oklahoma. Come check it out.